International Film Festival Goa is pride of India. And this year it will be 50th Iffi. So very important one. Today we had meeting of the steering committee and Goa Chief Minister Pramod Sawant and Chairman of this authority Subhash Desai, along with central government and state government high officials and our steering committee members, Rahul Ravelji, the great filmmaker, Madhur Bhandarkar, then A.K. Beer and Ravi Kothara and Shaji Karur and Manju Boraji. We actually informed them just 3 days ago, but all made it possible. And there will be in steering committee Karan Johar, Siddharth Rai Kapoor, Firoz Abbas Khan, Subhash Ghai have already confirmed, and 2-3 more names will be added. So this will steer the whole, because it has to be a professional show, and this is important because this is also 150th anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi's birthday is 150th anniversary. So this time the film festival will take place from 20th November to 28th November. 20 to 28 November. A 9-day festival. Oscar chairman John Bailey has confirmed that he will be attending. There are many more dignitaries, international as well as national dignitaries will be coming. I'm very sure last year thousands of enthusiasts, film lovers throughout the country come here to witness this huge festival. And this year also, Goans as well as countrymen all over the country will definitely participate. There are awards to be given. One is the Golden Peacock Award for Best Films, that is 40 lakh rupees. Then Silver Peacock Award for Best Director, Best Actor, Best Actress, and Special Jury, that's 10 lakh rupees each. And more importantly, there will be road shows in 7 cities of the country where it will reach out to the film fraternity there and will ensure large participation of film fraternity from all the states. There will be a business exhibition because it's a good time to showcase the latest technology in relating to film production, film distribution, and film many things. There are latest technologies that can be showcased, and there will be one exhibition of Gandhi 150 also.
Is there any section or anything to pay tribute to Manoj Parrikar this time?
Definitely this festival will pay tribute to fond memory of our friend, our colleague, Manoj Parrikar.
Our entertainment society of the Goa is always participating fully with the Iffi, and this is the golden opportunity for us. Along with the DFF, we are celebrating the 50th International Film Festival, which is a proud moment for the state also. इस बार के इस इफ़ी कार्यक्रम में कुछ कमी नहीं रहेंगी हमारी तरफ से जो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर. Then we are using the 3 venues. One is the Shama Prasad Mukherjee Stadium, the Kala Academy, and Inox Theatres. This time we are thinking to use the private theatres also. for the special films. That is the one thing. Second thing, regarding the hospitality for all the members, we are already over the ESG. Our entertainment of the society is taking care of all the hospitality from our side. And इस बार का इफ़ी का शो सभी के लिए एक यादगार इफ़ी रहेगी. और इस बार की इफ़ी इट इज नॉट ओनली इट इज लिमिटेड टू द पेंजिम, बट इस बार इफ़ी के कार्यक्रम यानी जो थिएटर्स बाकी स्टेट में भी हैं उन्हीं के एक कम से कम एटलीस्ट वन प्रोग्राम्स इन द अदर पार्ट ऑफ द स्टेट्स ऑल्सो विल करने की कोशिश हमारी रहेगी. इतना ही कहूँगा कि स्टेट की तरफ से हम इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर और हॉस्पिटैलिटी ये दोनों काम जो ESG और स्टेट गोवा की तरफ से रहते हैं, सभी गेस्ट की हम मेहमानगिरी में कुछ कम नहीं रहेंगे, बस इतना ही कहूँगा. और आप सबको AEP यादगार रहेगी, इसी मैं स्टेट की तरफ से कहूँगा. थैंक यू वन एंड ऑल.